What if I told you that Spotify Camp Nou has just entered one of the most exciting phases of its transformation? The compression ring is closing in. The south goal is lighting up with its new ceramic facade. The VIP and first-team facilities are taking shape inside. And even the third tier is moving closer to Matchday readiness. With the Joan Gamper Trophy getting closer, every corner of the stadium is changing almost by the day. So today, let's see what's changed at Camp Nou and how close it is to the big moment. The compression ring continues to advance rapidly, with another steel box successfully lifted and positioned in the Tribuna section. At the same time, another box has already been installed on the goal Nord side, while a new compression ring pillar has also been lifted into position. With only 5 of the 46 main pillars remaining, the structural ring is now getting very close to completing its main framework. Around 10 smaller boxes will still need to be installed between the radial beams and the main boxes, but the overall progress is now approaching its final stage. Work inside the VIP ring continues with rendering and finishing activities progressing across the interior walls. Workers are applying the final layers of render and white finishing material, with several sections already completed. Platforms remain active throughout the area as the interior spaces continue moving toward a more finished condition. The third-tier structure is now in an advanced stage, with major structural elements already in place and lighting equipment installed across several sections. Work is continuing around the remaining areas as temporary supports and construction equipment are progressively cleared. The latest compression ring pillar and additional supports are also visible from the upper levels, showing that structural work is still advancing around the top of the stadium. Ceramic lamella installation continues strongly across the south goal and lateral corner. Large sections of the decorative facade are now covered, with the remaining gaps gradually being filled by the installation teams. The completed areas are already giving the south goal a much more finished appearance, with the distinctive ceramic facade pattern becoming increasingly continuous. Decorative LED lighting installation is progressing alongside the ceramic lamellas. A large number of lighting units are already installed across the south goal and corner sections, while platforms remain active in the central and lateral areas. The combination of the finished lamellas and the growing number of LED fixtures is bringing the stadium's final illuminated facade design closer to reality. Sandwich panel installation has resumed around the mobility cores after a short period of limited activity. Workers are now fitting panels on both sides of the structures, while additional panels are being cut and prepared to match the required dimensions. This work is progressively enclosing the mobility cores and moving them further into the finishing phase. The north goal remains behind the south goal in terms of ceramic lamella installation. Preparatory work is still required around the mobility cores, particularly the anchoring and supporting elements that will carry the future lamellas. Once these structural preparations advance, the installation of the decorative ceramic facade can begin progressing further across this section. Seat installation continues in the remaining sections where temporary scaffolding has already been removed. Workers are progressively filling the available seating areas, while other parts of the tier remain occupied by lighting equipment and ongoing construction work. The continued installation of seats is another clear sign that the upper stadium areas are moving closer to their final operational condition. The Tribuna stand remains one of the busiest areas of the stadium, with multiple elevated platforms and workers active across the structure. Work is continuing around the structural connections, the first tier and corner sections, while additional materials are being handled on the upper levels. Several platforms are also positioned around the stand for ongoing installation and preparation work, showing that construction activity remains intense throughout the Tribuna area. At the lateral corner, preparation work is underway for the next phase of ceramic lamella installation. The support connections are already in place, but the main lamella supports are still missing in this section. Workers are using elevated platforms for preparation and painting work around the structure, while the required materials are already being positioned nearby. Once the remaining supports and anchors are installed, this area will be ready to move toward the next stage of lamella installation. New sandwich panels are continuing to arrive and being moved into the active construction areas around the mobility cores. After a period of limited activity, installation has resumed, with workers positioning panels on both sides of the structures and cutting additional pieces to the required dimensions. This ongoing supply is allowing the enclosure work around the cores to progress into the next finishing stage. With the Joan Gamper Trophy match approaching, preparation work is increasingly focused on clearing construction materials, machinery, and temporary equipment from the areas that will be visible and accessible during the event. The lateral sections are becoming progressively more organized, while completed facade, lighting, and circulation areas are being prepared for matchday use. The remaining construction activity is continuing alongside these preparations, particularly around the upper tiers and internal areas. Work continues inside the lateral diamonds, with internal spaces gradually being divided and enclosed. Stair connections and other internal structures are already visible, while the central diamond is being developed into functional service areas. These spaces are expected to accommodate stadium operations and supporter services once the interior works are completed. Sandwich panels continue to be installed around the lateral mobility cores, particularly across the lower sections of the structures. Workers are fitting panels at different levels while other crews continue with painting and finishing work around the cores. The combination of structural finishing and panel installation is progressively closing these previously open sections of the lateral. The north goal still has limited ceramic lamella installation compared with the south goal. The two prominent yellow Barça lamellas remain visible in the area, while the surrounding sections are still awaiting further structural preparation. Anchoring systems and the necessary supporting elements need to advance before additional ceramic lamellas can be installed, and the north goal facade can begin matching the progress already visible on the south side. And that wraps up today's Camp Nou construction update. The transformation continues to move forward, with major progress visible across the stadium. We'll be back soon with another look at the latest developments. Work is continuing on the second cantilever, where new concrete block walls are gradually being built to create the internal divisions for the future bathrooms and hospitality areas. Although progress remains slower than in some other sections, the structure is steadily taking shape as more of these internal partitions are completed. And that wraps up today's Camp Nou construction update. From the advancing compression ring and third tier to the new facade, lighting, and interior works, the transformation continues across every part of the stadium. With the Gamper match getting closer, we'll keep following every major development and bring you the latest progress in the next update.